Hello. Welcome to PDF.co. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to convert an Outlook email to PDF using PDF.co and Make. For a comprehensive tutorials, please check the link provided in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. So, let's get started with the demo. The first step is to log into your Make account and click on the Create a New Scenario button to initiate the conversion process. Next, search and select the Microsoft 365 email app. From there, select the Watch Messages option to set up a trigger that will activate when a new message is sent or received. Let's proceed with setting up the configuration. First, connect your Microsoft account to Make. In the Watch Messages field, let's select the All option to view all messages in your Outlook email. In the Mail folder field, specify the type of folder where you want to retrieve the email from. In the Search field, enter the email subject message that you wish to convert to PDF. In the Limit field, input the maximum number of results you want to work with during the execution cycle. In the Choose Where to Start field, select the option that corresponds to the location from where you want to retrieve the email. After setting up the configuration, you can now run the scenario to fetch the email message. Once the scenario runs successfully and retrieves the desired email message, the next step is to add another module that will convert the Outlook email to PDF format using the PDF.co app. Next, select the Make an API call option to utilize the HTML to PDF API endpoint for the conversion process. Let's proceed with setting up the configuration. First, connect your PDF.co account to Make by adding the API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, enter the HTML to PDF endpoint. This endpoint will convert the HTML content of the email into a full-featured PDF document. Now, let's set up the body parameter. For item 1, enter HTML as the key and select the body content from the Outlook email. For item 2, type name as the key and enter your desired file name for the generated PDF document. Once you have finished setting up the configuration, you can now run the scenario to initiate the conversion process and see the resulting PDF document. The scenario runs successfully and returned a temporary URL. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the converted PDF document. Here's the generated PDF document that we converted from Outlook email. We have a wide range of tutorials available on our PDF.co website, as well as on our YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.